Oh, man. All right, let's get this party started. Okay. Should be live and active. What time did I get on? What's going on, Bandy? What's going on, Syed? I'm fine. How are you, bro? Trying to get this situated. All right. Give me 1 second, guys, and we can start analysis. I see something here on gold, too. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's look at this. Nothing today. Okay. Gold temporarily right now is bullish, but overall we are in a downtrend, so we have to be extremely careful. I like this hourly. I like this hourly buy side fair value gap. I liked it a lot. If we're gonna bounce, it should bounce from here. Might be a short bounce. We have to see. We have to pay attention. It has to sweep out this low before I even remotely get interested in it. And then we left relative equal highs at the top. This is not a bad trade if we get it. If we get a sweep of these lows to continue to take out these equal highs at the top, it's not a bad trade already. Bro, you know I am following you on Instagram when you have only 300 followers. Syed, I know that's cap because when I started my social media journey, I started off with like 1.2K or something like that. That was the followers I had with just the friends I knew from high school and college. I never had 300 at a point in time, except like 5th grade. Like, what? But I am sure you've been following me for a while, so I appreciate that. What's today, June 30th? Just a No, I have following you since a long time. I believe you. I believe you have been, but it's like, bro, at 300 followers, I think my account was private. I don't think I was public. I have 29 concurrent viewers. Is everybody here in the Discord? I'm gonna be doing some Apex giveaways. Ah, Kobe, A. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I want to do. But if anybody has suggestions, please let me know. Right? If anybody has suggestions, please let me know. I want to do giveaways, like a lot of it. I don't mind. They're like $50, $70. I'll do that for y'all. But I want people like Kobe to be the ones who get it. So if I want to do free Discord giveaways, I have a mix of obviously my paid students. They don't need to use my code or anything like that. They can automatically be in every giveaway. But then people who are actively like helping me using my code, those are the people I want to benefit from the giveaways. So how do I structure a giveaway in a sense where only people who've used my code can like participate in the giveaway or something like that? It's like, I don't know, like it's weird. It's like if you're gonna do a giveaway, you can only do it broadly, right? And then it's like even people who have never used your code a day in their life can still win. I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, that's my thought process. So it's like, yeah. So it's like I'm gonna figure it out. But I do plan on doing a giveaway soon, because what, June is ending today, so I'll probably do a giveaway this week. Don't take my word for it, but I'll probably do a giveaway this week. So if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and join that. I want this low swept. I don't use any other code, bro. Wow, guys, I really appreciate that. Seriously, I really do. And I hope y'all are actually like, don't gamble with those codes, bro. Don't gamble. Take it seriously. Take it seriously. Get a payout. That's the whole reason you're buying it, right? You're not just buying it to use my code. You're buying it to get a payout. I ain't gonna lie, Kobe, you're mad funny. Okay, I have been following you everywhere, but I don't use Discord. Well, true. Um, yeah, okay, so you say you follow me everywhere, but you don't use Discord. I would recommend you get Discord. The reason why is kind of like Discord is like a group chat. So that's where you can actually like contact me directly and also people in my group directly. And we're semi-active. I feel like once we get a little bit bigger, we'll be a lot more active, but we're semi-active. So I think you should just, I mean, it's just another app on your phone. Just download it, make an account. It's free. Download it, make an account, join the Discord, man. I'd love to have you in the community. Let's go. Happy to have you. Once you join, let me know that you're Bandilla Chili. Oh, I haven't even checked NQ. I got carried away. Yeah, you're right. NQ has swept that, but let's do our analysis on NQ first. Oh, it's so obvious we're bullish. We're bullish on NQ, right? No complaints. Let's check for SMT. Okay, we have SMT at the highs. We have SMT at the highs, even though I am still bullish, but you have to take into consideration we do have SMTs at the highs. I have SMT at the highs. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour full on inverse. 4 hour low. Boom, makes sense. On ES, there's literally equal highs with London highs. It's actually not even bad. Futures, I'm tripping. Let's see. You caught the entire sell-off? Let's go. I really need to go get my hair done. Okay, I think I see a potential setup on... There we go. Gold is going lower. I think I like gold better, I'll be honest. I don't trust NQ yet. I want gold to sweep out that low and then reject hard. Like extremely hard. NQ, I don't like it because of the SMT. It's kind of scary. This SMT. It's a bearish SMT. That's a scammer. I'm not Dae.Trades. I'm Daetradez. You see, it baffles me that people still make fake usernames of me to text people. Like, who am I? I really don't hold any influence. I don't know why you got to make fake pages of me, man. It's like, what? You're better off doing that shit with TJR. Fuck you using my name for? But yeah, I just want to give you guys some updates. So Apex is still 90% off, right? So they're the cheapest accounts in the game for y'all. $20, $30, $40 max. 90% off, depending on which accounts you want, 50K, 25K, but everything is 90% off. Lucid is 50% off, but that sale ends July 2nd. So you can get a Lucid Flex for about $70. And if y'all know, Lucid Flex is probably one of the best accounts in the game. Futures Elite is 35% off or 30% off. Futures Elite is one of the newest prop firms that I am currently backing because their rules are some of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen. And so is the discounts that they're creating. It's like you buy 4 accounts, you get the 5th one free. That's ridiculous. Comes out to be about $65 per account. And tradeify is 40% off. Tradeify is 40% off. All using code DAE. Those are the 4 firms I'm recommending to y'all. Some of them don't take third world countries like Nigeria or whatever, but you can check on your website to see if they accept you. And any one of these accounts work best. I am a Apex fanatic, but I do also like Lucid a lot. So you guys do with that as you please. These are equal lows for gold. I'm not longing this. Which one? Oh, none of the firm work for Nigerians. Wow, that actually sucks. I think they flagged the country as a risk or something. You can always just use FTMO. Only tradeify works and they don't allow any code. What do you, for discount? They should at checkout. They should at checkout. Unless they did that specific. On FTMO, I don't have one. I don't have an FTMO code, sorry. I don't promote CFDs because I trade futures. Well, that sucks. But if Tradeify works for you, it doesn't matter if you use my code or not. Just use it. As long as it works for you, man. You don't have to use my code. If it doesn't let you use my code, you don't have to use it, brother. What time is it? 7:42. Oh, all codes. They want y'all to pay full price. That genuinely sucks. Okay, let's lock in. I see setups coming. I need to see if I should skip this setup or not. October 2025 low is crazy. Yeah. Gold looks cleaner. NQ, I just don't trust this. I think it's gonna chop around till market open and then stop everybody out, or just skyrocket. But I want to wait on NQ for this, even though by all means it's not bad. Like it's not bad at all. Like it's really, really not bad. I just do want to wait. So this is a trade where it's like, if you want to take it, go a little lower risk about $250 after this inverse. If you want to wait with me, we could potentially wait and this would be the setup of the day and then there's no more setups. But I always like to be patient. I truly believe patience works. Whenever you see a setup and it doesn't sit right with you, just ignore it. But the main thing that's stopping me from kind of taking this setup is I really do not like this SMT. I really don't fuck with that SMT. I know Apex for sure doesn't work with Nigerians because I inquired about that for y'all. Trust me, I did. I was like, I have some very loyal Nigerian supporters. Is there any way? They said, nah. So I am sorry about that, guys. Currently, guys, what I'm looking at, what I'm waiting for is I want this. I think this is a fake out. I also think this is a fake out too, but it could win. I've never full ported an eval. I'm not even lying. I failed evals, but I've never full ported an eval. Like the moment I bought an eval, I risked the entire drawdown to try and pass in one trade. I've never done that. And I know that's what some of these big creators do now, so they can pass accounts quickly and tell you, look, one day pass, whatever. So they'll buy 5 evals and they'll full port 2. It fails. They'll come back the next day, full port another 2. It fails. And it's like, I just don't do that. Are you waiting for Asia Low to get taken on NQ? No, on NQ, I'm simply just waiting. I've noticed NQ gives much, much, much better setups after market open. Like, it's just, that's just the truth. After market open, NQ gives better setups. So it's like, even if it gives this long, I remember it did something similar yesterday. Let me find it. Yeah, yesterday. It came here at around this same time, gave a long entry, and what did it do? Stop us right out before market open, and then gave us the real long entry, which was all the way down here. And it's like, so with NQ, it's very manipulative, but after market open, it'll do a bunch of manipulation, and then it'll give one true move. Or sometimes, again, it will just do this, inverse, and start taking off. And then market open, it'll now do that. But then your trade would have obviously already like played out. But I'm not willing to test that out. So I'm just gonna wait till market open. Whereas on gold, if gold takes this low and then inverse, I'll take a long on gold. I like it. Even though I know gold is extremely, 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 extremely bearish, I will take a long. No top wick candles. Go research how many times price has come to fill back a no top wick candle. Oh yeah, Carlos. That's another lesson I learned from my student. I watched Carlos blow. I watched Carlos blow so many accounts. I watched Carlos blow so many accounts and lose so many trades because of that 9:30 open. Don't get it wrong, Carlos be cooking now. But we changed just that one thing. Said, hey man, 9:30, wait, just wait. Oh man. Streaming is fun when niggas aren't on my dick. Come on, gold, come take out this low. Leaving equal highs above. Ooh boy, I want you, girl. I want you. I want you, girl. You see? There we go. I used the 1 hour, but there's a 4 hour. Where? Oh, it's so weird. I don't understand XAU USD and gold, but I mean, yeah, there's gonna be a 4 hour FEG in 10 minutes on XAU USD. Whereas on regular gold, it's gonna be a 1 hour sweep. which I will not take this trade unless we get it. I will not. NASDAQ, I've already disqualified because the break isn't V-shape. If anything, you could potentially get a Timmy model. Carlos and TJ, I think we should change the name from the Timmy model. Because if I do popularize the name, the Timmy model, it can be mistaken for the other Timmy. So call it the TJ model. His name is TJ. No top wick. So I already know if we were to get some type of lower entry, this has to be break even. Has to be. So will we get a good fill? So we will get something like this. Golly, that's a horrible break even. Probably make my stop tighter then. That has to be break even though. It was based off Fairly Odd Parents. Yo, niggas are goofy. You would love to learn how I remember so many models. Okay. Remembering different trading strategies, number one, I don't recommend, but it's kind of like, let me think. It's kind of like memorizing a script or like memorizing memorizing a script. It's like you have to start off first with one line. You can't like just read the whole script and remember everything. So no, you start off first with one line. So it's like, bro, I've been trading for so long is that if I wanted to go start trading order blocks right now, I really could. I know order blocks, I know how they work. I know what makes a good order block versus a bad order block because when I was trying to be profitable, I tried everything. I tried order blocks, I tried freaking breaker blocks, I tried fair value gaps, I tried all of that. I tried all of that stuff, weekly lows and all of that stuff. So it's like I know so many models because I've traded them a lot. So now if somebody brings in a new model, I know how to back test it quickly. I know how to go check if this model works for me. I know how to go look into it myself and all of that fun stuff. So it's kind of like just memorizing a script. You have to start off one at a time. Pick one model, master it well before thinking about moving on to a different model or anything like that. We still haven't swept, so wait. Unless XAU has swept. No, nothing. I hope we are right about this and this shit just doesn't start flushing. Let's check. Is there a reason to flush? I don't understand that we are bearish. But come on now. It's a massive sweep of liquidity, 4 hour this is genuinely a good trade. This might be the trade of the day. Like I might hold this trade a lot longer if it does exactly what I need it to do. Hope I have a great day. I will have a great day. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. I don't know if you're on stream. XAU did sweep. Okay, well, MGC swept right now, so it doesn't matter anymore. That's actually Hashim Marami. That's actually a great question. But the answer to that question is depends on what you're trading. Depends on what you're trading. Are you trading gold or are you trading NASDAQ? I'm trading gold right now. If this inverses, I'm gonna take it. And even though market open could be in 5 minutes, I'll still take it. Why? Market open on gold doesn't really manipulate it. So let me see if I can find you an example. Monday at 8:30 for me. This is 8:30's candle. There's no form of manipulation here. It's just a retest. Let's go to NQ. Do I even need to show you 8:30's candle on NQ? Get this shit. Look at the 8:30 candle. You see this wick? Look at the 8:30 candle on NQ. So when you're trading NQ, always watch out for market manipulation. When you're trading gold, just low-key follow the trend. Like, just trade what gold is giving you, and it really doesn't matter what time your entry is on gold. Let's wait a bit. Let's watch now. We've taken out the low. If this reacts, this could be a crazy long. So we need to like watch and see what it wants to give us. I'm willing to long anywhere down here. We're in a 1 hour SIBI now. Or my bad, 1 hour BPR. It's an hourly BPR now. I'm willing to long anywhere down here. No reason at all to really go lower. Maybe it might wants to come tap this 4 hour. Maybe. If this is AMD, that's so sexy. If this is AMD, so sexy. Maybe full port this. I need to watch what I say. Don't full port this. I know some of y'all will actually fuck around and listen to me. Don't full port. AMD gold. If this is AMD, this is very beautiful. Oh my God. This is, yes, gold. Yes, this is amazing. Can we get an inverse? Oh my God, this is great. This is great. Equal highs above. Oh Lord. This is about a 1 to 3 if I get it. 1 to 2, actually. What we doing, gold? And I don't think I'm gonna break even here anymore because it's too close. But what we doing, gold? What I'm actually gonna do is, because I don't plan on breaking even here, if price closes here and then starts trading, I'm willing to let it come back and still tag me in and then hit stop loss if that's the case. But I really don't think this is going to stop loss. It's too clean. I'm actually more scared it might leave without me. That's if this inverses. If this doesn't inverse, then we still plan on manipulating further. But it looks like it'll inverse. Let's look at the 2 minute. 2 minutes, the same place. Come on, make it V-shape. V-shape. 1 minute as well. 1 minute is respecting this 1 minute gap. So this is decent. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I might not do a limit. I might just market that motherfucker. But we have to stay patient. This has to close. There we go, gold. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, girl. Is there anything on the 5 minute that could mess this up? No. Damn, no closure. I'm not gonna let this run, so I'll take the closure on the 2 minute. If we get it. I'm not gonna let this run. It could easily just start running. What time is it? It's 8:03. Okay, I doubt it runs, but then again, gold doesn't really care about market open. Come on, I needed V-shape. Don't struggle. I don't like that. Don't struggle. This is so like AMD textbook. Accumulation, manipulation, down into the hourly gap, distribution. It should like start going. This high might give some type of manipulation to. That's why I'm not really gonna go break even here. Like once we get the inverse and we'll take out this high, I'm still gonna accept the loss. Like, if we get it, I'm gonna accept the loss because I expect this high to maybe give some type of manipulation because the high is leading into a 5 minute gap. We could get a Timmy model, but I plan on fading it or losing to it. No, Carlos, you're right on the limit stuff, but we'll see. I like this rejection. That's good. Let's see what NASDAQ is doing. Yeah, just always ignore her. I'm gonna hold this for the full TP if we get it. I got some water here. It was just I was trying to see if I should have. Fuck, Carlos. Should have waited for the retest. Fucking knew it. Would have got a way better feel. It's all good though. I'm in this bitch. I think we let this ride to full TP. Don't be scared of the pullbacks, and it's okay to lose. We took a dub yesterday. Yesterday, well, we're up. You see how when I get into a trade, I'm already like teaching myself that it's fine for me to lose this trade based off of my risk management. So if we lose this trade, I'll be honest, I don't plan on cutting this till I don't really plan on cutting this till I see like this failing. I'm gonna be real. So this low-key might be a full stop out type of trade, but that's fine. I don't plan on going break even at this high unless I see like displacement. But if I see it wicking it, then it's okay because I have strong conviction in the trade. I don't want to be stopped out early, and I am willing to lose because of that conviction. If this was just a regular trade, I would go break even at this high. I'm letting you know now. So you're like, dang, why didn't you go break even? So I'm letting you know now. I'm gonna let this trade hit stops or hit TP, but it's like we have equal highs with London high. I want that gone, like ASAP. We're in there. We're gonna hold through market open at 808. Oh my goodness, fuck. The 4-hour did not, oh. The 4-hour did not tap into that gap. Okay, so these are reasons why our trade could lose. Whenever I also get into a position, I go find reasons why we could lose. So you don't like tell yourself there's no way I can lose. There are ways you can lose. So go look for it. Let's go taking off. We're about to take out that high. If you want to go break even, you can, but your break even is so damn close. What's the point? Maybe after the inverse of this gap, I'll go break even. Showed my stop just a little bit. Beautiful displacement. I like that a lot. Now can it hold? Guys, like I said, I plan on holding full. So I'm gonna go through the swings. Get out at your 1-to-1, get out at your 1-to-2. I have full conviction on this. I will go break even once I see something I like a really strong candle displacement or something like that. Like this isn't enough yet for me to go break even. We can easily reverse. But if you're trading the model, now it's time to go break even. Like go break even. If you're trading the model, do as I say, not as I do. Do as I say, not as I do. Do as I say, not as I do. Look at NASDAQ. Isn't this just bait to come stop you out? That shit looks like bait to me. So it's a strong 5-minute close. Let's draw a fib. Are we in places we could reject from? Yeah, we're in discount. Could definitely retrace here. Once we get into OTE, that's dangerous. So this fair value gap will be dangerous for sure. This FEG here will be very dangerous. For all the people who don't come to 8:30, we probably wouldn't even stay that long. Because if this trade loses or wins, do I need to keep trading? Probably not. We're about to hit a 1-to-1, guys. Check the 15-minute. Why? Oh yeah, we are in a 15-minute gap. Be careful. We are in a 15-minute gap. Be careful, but we have equal highs above. I think it's stronger. And if the 15-minute inverse is beautiful, beautiful play. I'm letting my balls drop on this one. I'm going for the equal highs. But after the 15-minute or this 5-minute inverses, then I will go break even. So then it's either I hit full TP or I just hit break even. But as of right now, I am willing to go lose on this still. I don't look at P&L. I don't really care. Like this trade is still, I can easily still lose on this. 3-minute inversed, good sign. 5-minute has not inversed, so we're not in the clear yet. We have 1-minute till it inverses. Minute 48 seconds. Let's look at Nasdaqistan. Nasdaq is definitely going to pull back to take out these lows, which will make gold pull back as well. Because for some reason, I don't know why, they be correlating sometimes. Does anybody know why? Or am I asking a beginner-ass question? Why does Nasdaq and, oh, look, silver's ripping. If silver's pulling back, gold's pulling back. Why does Nasdaq and gold sometimes be correlating? Like, look, Nasdaq is slightly going up, gold is slightly going up. It doesn't make any sense to me. They should be doing the opposite. Okay, let's watch. Let's be careful. Let's be careful here. Let's be careful here. I don't want to see any aggressive sells. I want to see bullish order flow hold. Nothing too aggressive. Let me start deleting some stuff. I'm getting, I can't see. What is this dark shadow? Oh, that's just my setting. All right. Okay, tap into this 5-minute FEG. What will happen is if this 5-minute FEG gets inverse back to the downside, I'll get off for a small loss. That's what I'll do, yeah. So we've taken out this 5-minute high. We've left behind this 5-minute FEG. So I'm not gonna go break even, but if this FEG gets inverse down here, then I'll get out for like a small loss, whatever loss amount that would be. Stop loss. If it gets out like here or something, it'd be like $144 and stops, something like that. I'm still not break even because we don't have this 5-minute inverse as a as something to hold us up. Once we do, then I'll go break even. or really trail to this candle's wick. I really don't want to get stuffed out of this early. If you see gold and silver in the daily time frame, that's the daily. I'm not worried about gold or silver reverse until silver takes out this high, by the way, on the 5-minute. If we were looking at that, but on the daily, I mean, let me check. Oh, man. On the daily, silver might want to fill out this daily SIBI. Reacting off this daily BISI. Gold. I can't read it. I have too many orders on. Like, I can't read this, so. I think we're hitting a 1-to-1. So if anybody wants to get out some positions here, we're hitting a 1-to-1. Remember, this FVG will be a problem. If y'all want to have that as a TP, this FVG here will be a problem. This FVG will be a problem. This high will also be a problem. And then obviously equal highs above. Because this is a discounted 15-minute SIBI. Are we in OTE yet? Let's check. Yes, we just hit OTE. I do think it'll go to this SIBI, but it'll be a problem, by the way. Depending on how it reacts, maybe I'll partial, but I did say I want to hold to full TP, so let's see. Let's see. If I'm a man of my word. 5-minute. Your gold bias is bullish, then it aligns. It aligns perfectly. Boom, SIBI, hit. If y'all want a partial there, you can. Definitely can. I haven't moved stops to break even yet, but I don't plan on losing on this trade anymore. Like, we have 49 seconds to this inverses. If it inverses, I don't plan on losing on this trade anymore. Oh, hey, okay. Hey, Dae, hate to be a pain, but can you quickly explain what those terms you are using mean so I can write it down? Okay, a BISI is buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. So, is that a bullish fair value gap or a bearish one? I don't know. I was just using terms. But BISIs and SIBIs are just fair value gaps. So it's a bearish fair value gap versus a bullish fair value gap. It really, like, it's just ICT making these concepts complicated so we sound cooler. But it just means a fair value gap. What else did I say? I said, what else did I say? I'm not even sure what else I said. Let's hit TP. Let's go hit TP, gold. Let's go hit TP. Yeah, we're in OTE right now. I think this high here might be a problem, but I also thought this FEG would be a problem and we blasted right through it. So let's see. I like this push a lot. Let's see if we can hold it and go hit TP. We might now start stalling before hitting TP so we can play with our emotions. But guys, all of you should have taken profits, should have gone break even, like you should have made money. Do as I say, not as I do. Please, make your money. I'm willing to go through the psychological, I'm willing to go through, if it comes back, stops me out at break even, I'm willing to go through that. I signed up for that. Please, Take your profits. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We inversed on the 3-minute. We inversed this 3-minute FEG right here. It was a textbook setup. We did get an inverse. We inversed the FEG, retested it, and continued going higher. 15-minute is rejecting hard. If y'all want to hold with me, hold. If you want to take your profits, take your profits. I'm holding this motherfucker. What's OTE? OTE is optimal trade entry. So OTE is pretty much just if you take your Fibonacci tool and you draw it from your swing high to your swing low. OTE is just an area point price likes to react out of. Optimal trade entry. So optimal trade entry is between 0.6 0.615 to 0.786. That's optimal trade entry. Golly, this pullback is vicious. It's probably coming for these lows. Let's see. See what you want to do, gold. Remember, if this 5-minute gets inverse, I'm going to get out for whatever small loss that is, which is technically break even. Hold on, I need to lock in. I need to read this. I need to see if this is a reversal or if this is a retracement. The candle's too volatile though. I don't know if there's a reversal or if there's a retracement. Okay, we swept it. We should react. No, that's not good. I really hope y'all did as I said and not as I did, because I'm about to get out of this if it closes that strong bearishly. That's disgusting. But you gotta hold. It's like it only rewards warriors. There we go. That's the rejection I like to see. Can we inverse this 3-minute? If we can inverse this 3-minute, that's a good sign. Then I can really go break even, because then this would be a second trade. No top wick, no top wick. Come on, gold. What did NQ do? Oh, NQ came down to re-sweep. Made sense. But yeah, gold. If this 5-minute gets inverse, I'm running out of this ASAP. There's no reason to stay anymore. We didn't even close above this gap. Hold on, you're holding? Yeah, I'm holding too. Till this 5-minute gets inverse. I have high, strong conviction in these equal highs. It's like too, nah, man. Let's go take it. Let's go take it now. Let's go take it, gold. Just don't play with me before that. I just don't want to be played with. Okay, let's see if this 3-minute candle can inverse this. Then I'll actually go break even. If not, my stop loss is the closure of this 5-minute gap. Which I really hope you don't do, gold. Because I really have high conviction in this trade. Yeah, I'll go break even on the inverse of this 3-minute. I would even want to add, but nah. I don't like the roller coaster gold put me through. Adding to my position would make it worse. Let's see if you can inverse this, or let's see how you react from it. I know you're gonna feel it. Guys, look, there's no top wicks. These are good signs. There are no top wicks. Like, these are really good signs. Like, whenever there's no top wick or bottom wick, what price always comes back to it. See, no top wick, what do? We come back to it. No bottom wick, we trade through it. No top wick, we come back to it. We usually come back to these no top wick, bottom wicks, whatever, but obviously it works better on the higher time frame. Everything works better on the higher time frame. It's gonna wait till market open. It wants to give us a roller coaster. Come on, gold. I knew this FEG would be a problem, so we prepared for this. There we go. I need you to inverse it. I need you to inverse it. Run. Run, baby girl, run. Let's see how NASDAQ manipulated. Okay, NASDAQ long entry is just gonna rip, is it? See, gold didn't really react off market open. You see what I'm trying to say? It's like it didn't really react. Maybe a little bit more momentum, but that's about it. It's not really gonna like come manipulate all of that stuff. But once this 3-minute inverses, I'm going break even. See, look at NASDAQ manipulating. It's ridiculous. See what you want to do, gold. Three here. 3 there. Holy shit. This is why, like, market open, bro. It's disgusting. And then look at gold struggling to go higher. Oh, Lord. Oh, no, gold. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? No. No, gold, no. All right, once this 5-minute closes, I'm out of here. Once this 5-minute inverse is this, I'm out of here. We still have this 15-minute below us, but I don't even want that to be touched. Like, I don't even want us to put in a lower low. Like, come on, inverse so I can go break even. And then come stop me out if you want to. Oh, do as I say, not as I do. We're about to turn a winning trade into a loser. Do as I say, not as I do. The conviction is so high, though. Are we serious? We don't want this? Come on, what are we doing? Come on, gold. I should get out. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. It'll be a small loss, but we have 1 minute 45 seconds on this gold 5-minute candle. Yeah, I'm currently using Apex. It'll be a small loss, so I'm chilling. But I will get out once this inverses. It'll inverse somewhere like down here or something. It'll be a small loss. But till then, there's no reason to get out until gold has told us we are flipping. I'm flipping bearish. I'm respecting a 15-minute FEG and I'm going to disrespect this 5-minute. So then I'll get out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to close this trade after this 5-minute inverses. If it doesn't inverse, then we just held through this like a G. So I go for your 1-to-1s. So you go for your 1-to-1s. Oh my God, NASDAQ fucking ripped. Remember, this inverse is when I'll go break even. NASDAQ fucking ripped. Could we have... Ooh, and ES is lagging. Ooh. Yeah, I remember on gold. I remember. I remember on gold. That's how I know, like, once this gets inverse, just get out. I remember. I remember why we can lose on this. All right. All right. It's time. Boom. All right. I'm out. How much did I lose on that? I lost $150 on that. I lost 150 bucks on that. So it was a small loss. Small loss on that. That's fine. All right. Let's see if it'll give us anything else though. Like who, bro, come on, bro. Are we serious? Let's see if it'll give us anything else though. Small loss on that. Small loss on that. 4 hour is still untapped. Retapping our session level. As in, yeah, I am willing to take another. I risk $500 per day. So I'm willing to take another. I'll risk around like $350, $400 if I see something else. And I'll be done. Bro, how much you want to bet my 5 minutes not even gonna get inversed? And I should have held this. How much y'all want to bet my 5 minutes not even gonna get inversed? Oh my goodness. The 3 minute did though. The 5 minute hasn't got an inverse yet. I still want these equal highs, so that's still where my trade idea is going. But hopefully we can get a cleaner tap into the 4 hour, and then we get another inverse, and then I'll take that one again. Okay, let's see what we get. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think that's what's gonna happen. I think gold would. The reason that we lost no 4 hour tap, so I think gold is gonna come in here, tap the 4 hour, tap the 4 hour gap, and then do another inverse upward. Like I'm down 150 bucks on the day, so it's either I leave with that small L, or like 5 minute inverse already, so I would be out of this trade. So regardless, this was supposed to be a break even / losing play. But I really hope y'all took partials at 1-to-1s, whatever. We left equal highs again. It's like this is setting up a long setup, like it's setting up a beautiful long. Just don't do it without me. There's no way I'm holding through this drawdown from that up there, from that much up there. Come on, gold. Beautiful 2 minutes setting up. Beautiful 2 minute session liquidity model setting up. Oh my goodness. It's a trade to take. Barely swept it and barely inversed. That's manipulation. Look at this, more equal highs, more equal highs. I need to find another entry. I'm a broke man. This is why I preach one-to-ones. This is why I preach one-to-ones. They work and they save you from bullshit like this. So at a one-to-one, even if your stop loss was all the way over here, boom, you hit that easily. That's why I preach one-to-ones. But the better trader will obviously be the trader who knows how to like hold his positions till his targets get hit. But if you're starting out, you're new, you're not willing to like lose on stuff like that, it's like, okay, then just do your one-to-one and get out. Come back tomorrow. So yesterday you would have won, today you would have won. So yesterday we won 700, today I'm down 150. I'll see if I can make it back. If not, then oh well. Let's look at our other options here. I see another massive SMT with NASDAQ and ES. But there's no reason to short though, is there? These are equal highs. I'm not shorting this. Hell no. If anything, we could get a continuation model. Gold is so annoying, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh yeah, this sucks. That's going straight to TP. That's going straight to TP. I don't even like, wow. That's going straight to TP. Then it fails. I don't know. Like, what if the 4-hour fair value gap fails and gold heads for weekly lows? Then it failed. Then it just failed. This hunted break even. This hunted break even and then pushed higher. That sucks. Look at this. Yeah. This 15-minute FVG ended up holding beautifully. And now we have a 5-minute CISD. There's low-key another entry. Okay. I still don't like that. Like it's so obvious ES is heading for these equal highs above. It's so obvious, like really, really obvious. Look at the candle I get out of on. Look at where I get out. I got out right here. Right here. And all I needed to do was hold for a few more $100 of pain. But I did what my model says to do, get out when this 5-minute inverse is, and the 5-minute inverse, so I would have gotten out regardless, because you don't know that this is gonna happen. This is a sign that we're going bearish. So hopefully gold can reward us, come down and do a couple more sweeps. We have a no wick candle here. Come down and do some more sweeps, because I know people are FOMOing into this. Reward us, come down, do more sweeps, and then continue, give us the rally later in New York session. See, NASDAQ has slowed down. We still have equal highs above NASDAQ. Man, I'd like, fuck me. This shit's not gonna retrace, bro. It's just not going to. There's no reason to. Look how, like, that was such manipulation. The candle came all the way back down here, and then it's back up here. Why would we retrace again? It doesn't make sense. There's 10 minutes left in this candle. I do believe the 10 a.m. candle rating for this trade, bro, this trade was absolutely A+. It was the trade management. The trade was absolutely A+. We still haven't even hit our TPs yet, but I know we're going to get there. But it's just a matter of the manipulation and the trade management. I don't like seeing this stuff on my screen. Let me take this off. Yeah. It was the trade management. So now it's like the next hourly candle. My TP were these equal highs. That was where my TP was, those equal highs. Like, look how gold just keeps flipping back bullish. We try to bring it down, nope, flip back bullish. Why? Because it wants this. That's where it's going. Like, that's where it's going. Yeah, long on gold, I agree. Nah, I only do set and forget for like when I'm trading one-to-ones. If I'm trading anything past the one-to-one, I'm gonna manage that motherfucker. Imagine having a 1-to-3 and you let it come back and lose. That's ridiculous. I only do set and forget. I only do set and forget for one-to-ones or 1 to 1.5s. Anything past the 1 to 1.5, I'm going to manage it. Okay, the target for these highs was gone. What about ES? ES caught up quick. Target here is gone. Gold is long in. Gold is going to come hit all those TPs. I already know. I mean, I live trade every day, more than likely not Fridays. So what's our P&L for this week if we don't get a trade? Monday we won $700. We made $700. Today we lost 150. So on the week we're up about 500 bucks. Meanwhile, this trade was supposed to make us like 1.3K. Oh Lord. Oh, guys, now we're just watching. I have no faith this is coming to retrace. There's no reason to. This was the sweep here. We just gave a deeper sweep. Like as of right now, I would be break even if I was still in this trade. Why? Because this is the FVG I said I wanted inverse for me to go break even. There's no reason to come back lower anymore. If it starts coming back lower, now you're looking at is this shit reversing? Or like it's gonna go hit these targets now. So if anybody's still holding, this is where it's going to go hit these targets. NASDAQ is flying. ES flew. Where did it fly from? Boom. London lows. The model works when you know how to like trade it properly. I really like this model. Gotcha. Thanks, bro. There we go. There go TP1. There go TP1. Man, you sure love trading, don't you? There goes TP1. It's going to get it. Especially if this 15 minutes inversing. Yeah, it's going to get it. What a fucking manipulation. Can we plan after gold sweeps London highs? I mean, then it's fair game, right? So it's like, okay, let me delete all of this. A lot of y'all should have already taken these longs and won. So it's like you should be getting off the charts right now. But now it's fair game. Are we flipping bullish after we take out these highs? Or do we still want to go bearish? Are we still bears? That's what you need to start worrying about. So it's like you have to see how it reacts. Do we blast through it or do we wick it and instantly reverse? I doubt it though. This looks like bullish structure to me. Sweep, continue higher. We might just do a slight retracement to continue higher. We have more equal highs here. And look at all these untapped highs. I think gold is extremely bullish. So I'm going to see if I could get some type of another bullish entry, but I'll do my best to make sure it's not a poor setup. Leave more equal highs. I'll take it. Live below more relative equal highs. Come on, gold. Come back and sweep this 1 minute, which is a 5 minute. It's not going to come back. This was the manipulation leg. It's not coming back. NASDAQ isn't coming back either. Neither is ES. Yeah, no low for a continuation model. The low's all the way down here. We're not going down there. The way NASDAQ and S&P is moving, gold might just short hard. Why is, like, what? We just broke out of this. The NASDAQ, it's bullish. It's bullish now. It's heavily bullish. This is not a sweep. NASDAQ and gold both being bullish at the same time? I doubt it. Yeah, it is. It is struggling. Let's see if it comes back down and would have stopped us back out at break even if I was still holding this trade. So my entry would be here. Sometimes I'd be doing that to check. I'm like, okay, is it even valid to go through the emotional stress? Would this have come back to stop us out at break even? Because I'm definitely break even now, for sure. I'll definitely be break even. But ES and NASDAQ is so bullish. I think this trend really continues. This is a breakout. The 1 hour is about to close in 1 minute, 37 seconds. This is a breakout. If we can start trading above this, and the month of July is usually bullish. If we can start trading above this, this is a breakout. This is a breakout. Like, look at this. It's so strong and massive, no homo. Like, it's big. Yeah, pause. Pause. Hey, is anybody still holding this gold trade? Is anybody still holding this? Or did y'all get out at break even, 1-to-ones, small loss? Is anybody still holding this? Let's go to the gym later from David Uvak. Hey, what's going on, brother? Yeah, I said better not be. Yeah, break even. Yeah. That's what this trade definitely was. Nah, cooked. Yeah, I took a small loss. $150, that's break even, bro. I took a slight L. Break even, yeah, that sucks. I hope nobody FOMO'd back in here. Small loss, messed up the structure, that's okay. Small loss is better than a big one. Plus 500, good shit. There go that 1-to-one. There go that 1-to-one. Yeah, don't hold this. Yeah, look at this. Gold is tripping. I think you are the only one who took profit, like, because I told them boys I'm holding this I'm holding this trade with my chest. Do I think NFP week affected this trade? I mean, I don't really know. It's just price action is price action. It's just that, yeah, it's just like price action is price action, man. There's no way we're ignoring these equal highs. That's so crazy. Let's see what NASDAQ can give us. Has the hourly closed? Boom, hourly closed. Let's put in that 9 a.m. Candle wick. Excuse me, to continue higher. Hourly closed here. We might actually get something on NASDAQ. Nah, we're not getting nothing on NASDAQ. Unless you take a 2-minute trade. Yeah, gold's just doing whatever. Like, let's leave it alone. It's salty right now. I want to see if we can get some type of sweep here in NASDAQ. That's our last bet for setup. If not, today is a break-even day. Today will be a break-even day. ES already tapped. Yeah, this isn't good enough. Potential Timmy on NQ. And this will put in a high first, right? And then come sweep it. That's if I understand correctly. Timmy setup is, oh shit, wrong tool. A Timmy setup is high, low, then it puts in some type of high, then it sweeps on the one. It's pretty much our continuation setup, no? But except on the 1 minute. That's what I understand a Timmy setup is. Bro, I would slit my throat if I was in this gold trade. Come stop me out at stop them out at break even so I understand that this was never gonna be a winning trade and I'll be chilling. Bro, NASDAQ is clearly so bullish. Come on, come give us an entry. What time is it? It's 9:04. I'm staying on for 30 more minutes. Who else caught that NQ rocket? Shit, I didn't. I just don't trade market open. But look how it freaking session level so perfectly, bro. So perfectly. There's just no entry you would have caught here. Like this was the like come on, bro. So if NASDAQ takes out this low, ES doesn't take out the low and it does a 1 minute inverse, it's valid. Yeah. From what I understood correctly, that's how that model works, right? Yeah. Let's start clearing up some of this stuff on my chart. It's just confusing me. What am I looking at here? What high is this? Okay. Let's make this bold. Cool. This is no longer an SMT. Delete. Bullshit. Okay, let's see which one we get first. The session liquidity model or the Timmy model? Session liquidity model, we will be waiting for this low to get swept. Hold on, let's make sure, let me make sure we're not trading into A huge imbalance right now. No homo. No, I think we're fine. We're reacting off a weekly. I really think we're fine. 4 hour. 4 hour nice candle closure. There's just not been a 4 hour sweep. 1 hour. Nice little manipulation and then a boom up. This is very bullish. Bullish structure. Gold is now gonna come take out these highs, I believe. Yeah. Keep in mind, if you were in this trade, it would still be edging TP right now. This is TP. What do you think our psychology would be at right now? I think I would be crashing out. What about DJ30? I'm not even gonna look at that, brother. I'm gonna be real. I don't trade the Dow. That's the Dow Jones, right? I don't trade the Dow Jones. So we want an SMT with this low. Let's see if the Timmy model comes correct. Oh, I like this. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Trendline liquidity. Let's go. Something to go higher for. Okay. There's no reason it's on the 1 minute though. On the 1 minute, this low already swept liquidity. Why would we come back? Well, we'll see. Do I trade gold? Yeah. Oh my God. What a textbook trade on gold, man. It really sucks I wasn't a part of it. Beautiful longs, well predicted, so obvious, clear as day, exactly where it was going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful longs. Can't even be mad about it. Well, you can be, but just don't do nothing stupid. When I asked who's holding that go trade, nobody, like everybody kept quiet. Now that it won, you held it. Oh, Lord. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's be real. In context, holding the trade is not smart. Like after this FVG got inversed here, that 5 minute, and this 5 minute as well down here also getting inversed, it's like you're risking a lot on a potential reversal. It's okay to hold it here. It's okay to hold it here. It's okay as it's wicking to hold it, but the moment it closed, it's like I'm trying to see if I would have been in this trade. There's no way I would have stayed in this trade. Like I'm closing this. There's no way I would have stayed in it. Unless I was at the gym. But then if I was at the gym, I would have been going for a 1-to-1 and I would have already won. So, yeah. It's my thought process on that. I just explained why I exited. Yeah, I live stream daily. I think this was our trade of the day, man. I think gold was our trade of the day, so it's like, do I get off? It's technically a break-even day. I mean, $150, one win, even if you go for a one-to-one, completely wipes that away. So it's technically a break-even day or a small loss, small losing day. So it's like, I can just take that and go, or we can see if it gives us something. What time is it? It's 9:13. Pick my head up, bro. I'm not sad, bro. I promise I'm not sad at all. Like, gold has done me worse. Like, way worse. Way, way worse. Y'all remember I used to trade a lot of people who follow me for a while now. I used to trade gold and only gold. This happens once a week or twice a week minimum, where it does things like this. I used to trade gold and only gold. It's a normal thing in gold where it'll manipulate you out your position. But one thing though, gold does respect FEGs a lot. So whenever it does something like this, there is very high conviction it's reversing. Gold respects FEGs a lot. This is the inverse we did. Not only did we inverse that back to the downside, we also inversed a BPR as well. And then we inverse this tiny 5-minute gap down here. It's like, that's high conviction in going lower. Yeah, but I'm not worried about a 3-minute IFEG when we have a 5-minute that's being like fucked up. Like, sure, 5-minute holds more power than the 3-minute, doesn't it? It's a higher time frame. Take me back to the river. Fill my pockets with cheese. Take me back to the river. Fill my pockets with cheese. Ooh. Yeah, you too, Syed. I think I'm about to end this stream, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Something might pop out. Something might pop up, but there's our gold trade. It was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful setup on gold. The blue zone, that's a 1-hour FEG. That's a 1-hour FEG. Oh my goodness, this trade looks so textbook. Like, if I'm backtesting this is one of those setups where you're backtesting, you're like, oh, simple. And then long position, here, here, here. This is how I would be backtesting this. Oh, TP, boom. On to the next day. Meanwhile, in real time, you have to understand that this is drawdown. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's everything I have for y'all today. Beautiful live stream. I'm about to go to the gym. This is my one trade of the day, and I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. We're still up on the week. Wait for the Timmy sweep. Will we get it? Will we get the Timmy sweep? Hey, we also have a 15-minute FEG. Do I live stream some Asia sessions? No, I do not. I don't live stream Asia session. Okay, I'm staying out because Carlos told me to. I'm staying on because Carlos told me to. Oh, I'm still on replay mode. There we go. If we don't get the Timmy sweep, Carlos, if we don't get this Timmy sweep and it just starts rocketing, exactly. Like, what if this shit just chops around? I'll actually give it till 9:30 then. I'll wait till 9:30 to see if we get the sweep. We might get it though. It looks like we might get it. I'll wait till 9:30. After 9:30, I'm out of here. And if we do get a sweep and we get a trade entry, I'm placing the trade and I'm still out of here. Yeah, I only trade New York session. I used to trade every single session. My Discord trades Asia session. So if you're in the Discord, just ask who's trading Asia session. They'll light up. They love Asia session. The whole room will light up. Just ask that question. We are heading to 40. No, I know NASDAQ is bullish, guys. It's a matter of will NASDAQ come all the way down here to sweep this out first and then go higher? If it does, I'll take the trade. I will. If it doesn't, then it's like I don't want to participate in it. Like, there's no protected low. I need a swing low that I can say this is a protected swing low for me to trade from. We might get that SMT with ES, Carlos. ES looks like it might take it while NQ doesn't take it. Man, fuck you, gold. Fuck you. $34 viewers. Watch, they're dipping now and then we catch a banger setup. I'm gonna set an alert on this. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna start getting ready, dressed for the gym. don't think that shit is happening. This shit is just going higher, bro. That's just not happening. This gold trade actually kind of pissed me off. Take me back to the river. Fill my pockets with cheese. I'm saying, Lucas, thank you. I agree. It is time. It is time for the gym. I did tell him 9:30 though, so I'll wait. But I don't see myself placing a single goddamn trade here. There's nothing here anymore. We missed everything. We missed it all. We got stopped out here at the peak just for it to rally. Missed even silver. Even silver would have given you a good trade. All of them. We missed the whole thing. Missed everything. There's nothing here for us no more. I don't see price coming all the way down here to this FEG. We're seeing how bullish price action is. I don't see that happening. Thank you. We're done for the day. All right, brothers. I'm going to catch y'all boys. I will be going to the gym. I will be back tomorrow, same time, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. 7:30, I start up the streams. And join the free Discord if you're not in it. I'll send an announcement each time for the free Discord. And also, if you want to get some discounts on your platforms, make sure you use code DAE, brothers. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Peace.